So I gotta be the biggest idiot as well. Sorry, I was not recording any video for the past few months. Last week I didn't record thing. Last was I recorded was not sure. I had to check. I haven't been catching up to uh, the video because I recently, being honest here, I got recently got laid off. I got laid off and I got laid off. So my capital generation is one. But let's forget about it. I am over it now. I given some time to mourn over it. Now I want to let's get on the business of building my hedge fund. So I wanted to give a bit of update. I got to be the biggest stupid in this. I'm not saying I did one stupidity and I messed up. I never wanted to invest in Rajesh exports. I first when I saw this as well. First, and I saw this as well. This. I'm like, what a company this. I knew about this company, and I knew this would be a red flag, but the net profit uh, uh, was uh, was this much only, and this was such a red flag in company. I knew about this company a long time ago. I never wanted to invest in it, but I thought this trade wouldn't get executed. It would stay as an open order, but it got executed. I became a liquidity to all those sellers who wanted to sell it, and I am the biggest stupidity. I did the biggest stupidity right here. This alone was the biggest red flag. This much rising revenue and profit is only like this much. This shouldn't even convince any of you. And all the retailers, like if you look at the jump in retailers, 20.4 percentage have invested in, and all the influencers have been promoting this stock to the absolute crazy, and this has led to a lot of buying movement in it. And this is not even a real company. It's just some basic trading export company. All the profits they have been showing is just a false accounting, which they are showing their profits in offshore accounts as real revenue. And this is what I did a big blunder here. uh, uh, Here, and I'm very late to this talk about this now. Let's take to the new topic. And I wanted to show I took profits on. I didn't trade. I took some profits on. I took a profit on Rifa and NVV. NEV did good, and I taken a new trade bank. When created it last time, it was trading. I got 135 bucks profit. Now I'm on a bit of a loss right now because Trump said that U.S. Iran ceasefire is almost coming to a close, and oil is again, and this led to the rise of increase. But I have an open order for a short right here. So if we break this and like get here and here few orders right here, I would be I would take, because this could be a buy the rumor sell the news, because crypto and what I read is always price in first. It's always a liquidity, and unlike stock which is always late to react to stuff. So uh, so I wanted to talk. I honestly, and I didn't feel like recording another video. One day we are seeing a ceasefire, another day we are seeing a cease extent. Israel. If you don't know, Israel has when this Trump tell both of them not to do any attack until cease. No, don't do any more attack. But right when this came out, Iran Israel trade. Uh, uh, Tehran strikes damage to the Petronet facility, and this is what led to a big big crash in slowly the crash in Bitcoin also started to be coming up. So and Trump and did right when this came out, Iran strikes. Iran damages got Israel strikes back, and we have to follow because Iran didn't like, Israel didn't like, they because of uh, Lebanon strike, Lebanon's attack with Israel that led to that led to damage that led to, what do I say, Iran interfering that attack with Israel Israel and Lebanon. Uh, so they in order to, like, to continue attack more in Lebanon, they strike Iran again. Now we have to see how Iran would uh, strike back. And I wanted to speak about yeah, and now one more news is coming out. China is getting closer to closer to Taiwan. No, this is what I'm saying. China, Taiwan. Now China is getting closer to Taiwan, and which is not good. Even when this is like a final salt to the stock. When Iran US has been ending, and now China, Taiwan. This would be extensive damage to US stock market here, because whatever US market has gained, this would damage the entire AI disruption. AI This would damage the entire AI disruption yet again. That is what I wanted to be speaking, because all the AI companies will start to all will start to crash. Starting from ASML to TMCC. TMCC, if I don't like, I'll open TMCC. TMCC, especially TMCC. This is more susceptible to crash further now. Because this is what AI is entirely dependent on. So that's it for me. I just wanted to record a video on Taiwan and this China and Taiwan and Israel. So we are close. I think this is pricing in that, this oil crash right here, it crashed even further. That is what is driving the market up right now, like even further. It is driving the market up down, because oil is reaching a key support here. Now we'll see how oil would react. It would go up, if Trump post another that with furthermore escalation happen, this could rise again. So yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.